miss you all so much. I don't know what to say. I watched a video on Marcus, and that was rather eye-opening last night. Oops. Sorry about that, everyone. I've got someone behind me. I was trying to focus. Being a camera person and the driver is just too much sometimes. But there we've got our little camp with red and white umbrella. Oh my goodness, everyone. What a state of everything, really. I wonder where the chickens are. And again, we've got a zillion trillion social work agencies, and there we go. We've got a little bit of some love. We've got love and we've got a skull. Yeah, it's just, here we go, everyone. It's just, and it's kind of a mix. I see everything from 90-year-old people, seriously, in their 90s, to just like, I don't know, people just playing Jack Kerouac for a day, you know, just having a good time. But I don't know, we're in a rough state. America, this is America, and America, you are falling, and it's what Marcus wanted, according to what I saw. He was kind of one of that Frankfurt school, and just there's somebody looking out the back. But I don't want to just like torture people for like not having money or whatever. It's like it's not like an us or them. I am just a camera. I'm just showing what's going on. There's like a ton back there. Sorry, I'm going a little bit fast because there were sort of more people out than I was expected. Here's our little middle class in the middle, and I just don't want to be driving people insane by just sort of going by. Oh my God, you're all amazing. I miss everybody so much. It was nice to get a little moment in sort of caretaking right now for peoples and animals as well. Oh my God. Stay beautiful, everyone. And just don't stop being awesome. Oh, there's the blood bank.